guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. People keep asking me how I make the thumbnails for my channel art, these, and then my live streams. Well, I use this site right here. You just go here, hit account, make your account, then go here, and then make sure on that one, because that one's free, as you can see. Then you go down here, hit this, and then you go up here and type, let's just say I want to make thumbnail for a raccoon in it. All right, so I just asked them to make a thumbnail for my video game, for video game Cyberpunk. Add title, and then the D doesn't work on my keyboard, so I have to sometimes smash the D, and then put a raccoon in it, and then I hit create, and now it's thinking, oh, I did a streak, so I got more points, and then the points go towards Cyber Raccoon. Oh, it's close enough. I shouldn't have, I should have put the title of the game on, but Cyber Raccoon. So this is how I make the stuff. It's pretty cool. I made a ton over the few months that I've had this site. I appreciate somebody showing me this, and I wanted to show you guys so you guys can make really cool thumbnails for your YouTube channel and then be able to use them. It's easy and it's fun. And then you guys, every time you do it, see I had 66 and now it's 70 because I used it and they gave me free points. So don't forget to like, favorite, and comment down below. If you want, I have a Discord. You guys could share your creations with me. I'd like to see what you guys create. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you need any help or anything else, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys. Take care, stay awesome, and have a great day, my friends. Much love.